Yeah, welcome back guys to my wife's YouTube channel. Today she'll be making shrimp ceviche from scratch. She'll go ahead and rinse out 2 pounds of shrimp. These we've already purchased, they've been peeled and deveined. We'll go ahead and let those sit while we cut up 6 limes. And you'll notice she'll be pressing up against the limes against the cutting board, and reason for that is just to soften them up, and it'll make it easier for her when she has to squeeze out the lemon juice. She'll go ahead and start extracting the juice into a stainless steel bowl that'll fit the lime juice, the 2 pounds of shrimp, and the vegetables. Once she's done extracting the juice, she'll go ahead and place the 2 pounds of shrimp into the Ninja blender, and she'll blend that for about 30 seconds. If you don't have a Ninja blender, it's always fine to go ahead and chop it up with a cutting knife. Once that's nicely chopped up, we'll go ahead and place it into the lime juice. Alright, we'll let that sit at room temperature outside for about an hour. While that's sitting, we're going to go ahead and start off with our vegetables. We're going to use 1 cucumber, 2 Roma tomatoes, a bunch of cilantro, 1 serrano, and we're also using purple onion. Right now she's going to go ahead and chop up the cucumber, and we're going to go ahead and place that in a separate stainless steel bowl. All our vegetables are going into a stainless steel bowl, while the shrimp marinates in a separate stainless steel bowl. Okay, you want to go ahead and chop up all the cucumber, place into our vegetable bowl. Up next is our Roma tomatoes. Go ahead and cut those up also, and take the seeds out. Once the seeds are all out, we can go ahead and start spicing them. And go ahead and add them into the vegetable bowl. Up next, we're going to use the Serrano chili, and we're going to go ahead and cut the ends of it. We'll go ahead and cut that in half and carefully remove some of the seeds with the veins. Alrighty, you want to do the same thing, cut those in small pieces. And once they're all finally chopped up, go ahead and place into the vegetable bowl. Up next, we're going to get a half a red onion. We're going to cut that in fours. And we're going to go ahead and place it into the Ninja. The Ninja is going to go ahead and chop it up into small pieces. Blend it for about 30 seconds. And go ahead and place that into your vegetable bowl. Up next, start cutting up your cilantro. Cilantro is about a handful. And once you're all set with that, go ahead and place it into your vegetable bowl also. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and check on our shrimp marinade. Give it a little stir here and there. And let that sit off to the side. There's our vegetable bowl. And we're going to go ahead and place that into the fridge while the shrimp marinades. We went back to our shrimp. Noticed that we made an addition of 2 more limes, so we're using a total of 8 limes. And make sure your lime juice covers up the shrimp. Alrighty, so an hour's passed by. Our shrimp this whole time has been left outside at room temperature. Keep stirring it up, you know. And in goes our vegetables. Our cilantro, cucumber, onion, all that good stuff's going in there. And we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. Once that's well mixed together, go ahead and make your additions of salt. And then again, your salt is to your taste. My wife used a little handful of it, place it into the bowl, and she's also going to make an addition of pepper. This is optional also as well. And go ahead and mix everything well together. And there you go, shrimp ceviche from scratch. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like my wife's videos, and we'll keep you posted up with new videos soon.